Hey, welcome back to ClearSpot. Here are the 10 most expensive hidden losses in big portfolios. Number 1 is cash drag from idle balances and inefficient sweep rules. Number 2 is hidden fees layered through multiple service providers. Number 3 is poor trade routing causing slippage and missed execution quality. Number 4 is tax inefficiency from suboptimal lot selection and wash sale errors. Number 5 is stale pricing in illiquid holdings that masks real losses. Number 6 is operational friction from manual reconciliations and slow settlements. Number 7 is concentration risk that magnifies drawdowns in a sector or single issuer. Number 8 is counterparty and settlement failures, exposing funds to unexpected losses. Number 9 is baseline benchmark mismatch that hides performance drift. Number 10 is behavioral costs from human decision-making and confirmation bias. Tracking these 10 systematically can materially change annual yield and risk outcomes. Our platform surfaces and tracks most of these issues by default, so you can prioritize fixes. Recap and quick win checklist coming up that you can apply immediately to reduce these losses. Like, share, and subscribe for more solar insights. ClearSpot. Smart device, smarter decisions.